guys! Welcome back to her
So
channel.
for today's video, we're going to watch Baby Monster
Sugar
Sugar
Honey
Honey
Iced
Iced Tea
Tea
performance sa Inkigayo. And may nakita akong tweet na last performance na nila to. So, kasi feel ko mag-start na yung world tour. Tapos,
magpe-prepare na sila para sa
so we're super excited. And after nito guys, papanorin namin yung full cam. Meron na siya.
Yay!
Kasi na.
Kahapon wala eh, di ba?
Oo, kanina lang in-upload. So,
Uy.
buti na lang parang
Grabe.
late sila mag-upload.
Tagal nila mag-upload.
Yes. So, are you ready?
Yes, baby.
Let's
Watch.
go.
Ooh, ano outfit nila? Parang iba din to eh.
Kaya nga,
Yes.
sang outfit nila to.
Oh! Si Rora ba to? O ito si Rora?
Hindi ko alam.
Si Rora ba yun? Oh, ito si Rora. Ala, naka-hypony siya! Wow, kakasabi ko lang na nung isa.
sabi mo lang. Kasi ayun nakapigtails.
Oo!
Let's go!
Kasi di ba dito manggagaling si si Asa? Yung
Oo, so,
ice.
sino si Ruka? Ito?
Oo.
Naka-ano na naman siya. Let's go.
Yes. The heels. Ulat sila nakaganon.
Let's go!
I see. Oh my God! Ang ganda ni Rora!
Guys, narerek na siya ni Rora.
Wow!
Oh my God!
Wow!
I'm the sugar honey iced tea
And
and
you
you
know
know
it.
it. I'm the sugar honey
Chiquita!
iced tea and you
Hala!
know it.
Ang ganda ni Rora, girl!
Guys, kung siya si Rora, ako si Chiquita.
Hala! Uy, kakasabi ko lang kasi naisip ko, parang di ko pa nakikita. Naka-hypo. Wow! Naka-hypo ni si Rora.
Ice,
Oh
ice,
my
ice,
God.
and you know that I'm
Yes,
the
Asa.
I'm the sugar honey. I'm the sugar
Wow!
honey. Sweet just like some ice cream. Milk
The chocolate
chocolate
eye. Ang
ice
cute!
Yes!
cream.
I know,
Wow,
I know,
her,
I
ano,
know.
also her stiletto.
Hey!
Yes, Ruka!
Temperature rising.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah! Hello!
Wow!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
The feet! Hey!
Sugar honey iced tea.
And you know it.
I'm the sugar honey.
Honey, I see, and you know it.
Ain't no other
The
Parang
body
hindi
like
HD yung
me.
video.
you know it.
I'm the sugar honey,
I'm the sugar honey iced tea.
Sugar
Mama, don't do the drama, just set the comments like yeah, yeah, yeah. You wanna,
ganda!
wanna, don't live at the wrist of all of that, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Tell me what you know about this.
Wanna get like me,
You wish, you wish.
Naturally, you know the man.
Oh my God!
No, I'm the sweet just like some ice cream. No chocolate
Wow!
icing, like
Girl!
ice cream.
Yeah,
I
pula.
know, I know, so enticing. I make a
Yes, Marisa!
temperature rising.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey!
Yes!
Make no mistake, hit the stage, baby, in the same drop. I'm going in.
Oh, the body control.
The melody.
Hey!
Sugar
Cute!
honey iced tea, and you know it. I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. Ain't no other girl
Oh!
like me, girl, you know it. I'm the sugar honey.
I'm sugar
my
honey.
God.
Ah!
Yeah, I could
Girl, ang ganda ni Rora!
Wow!
a heart attack. Baby, tell me what you think about that. What you think about that.
Yes! Ang cute niya!
Wow!
Sugar honey iced tea. You know it, sugar honey. I'm the sugar honey iced tea. You know it,
Sugar honey.
I'm the sugar
Sugar honey.
Sugar honey, honey iced tea. Sugar honey, honey iced
Hala!
tea. Sugar honey,
Grabe ko yun ang galing!
I'm the sugar honey, I'm the sugar honey iced tea.
Oh!
I'm the sugar.
Yung ano, yung
Yung shoes?
sapatos ni Aeon, Asa, and Ruka.
Yes, yes.
Iced tea.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my
Lahat na
God!
sila meron! Gigigil ako, hindi lahat pinapakita dito eh. cute kapag unexpected yung reaction ni Marita sa mga...
Ay, wala!
Sa TikTok ko talaga hahanapin yung ending fairy ni Rora. Ah! Huy! Na-jinx talaga. Sabi ko hindi nawawalan ng ending fairy si Rora, biglang nawalan.
Ayan, na-jinx. Tapos ngayon si Parita naman.
Wow! Wow!
Sabi nila
Oh
lahat
my God!
ng ending fairy.
Go
Bakit-
girl! Full cam! Let's go!
Oh my God, like the fits!
Yes!
Alam mo yung vibes na yung ang baby face talaga nila,
Oo,
pero ang
oo,
monster talaga ng
It's
galawan.
getting monsters.
Oh my God, the fits! I cannot fit. Oh my God.
Oh, game! Full cam! Oh my God! Nagulat kasi ako. Sabi ko, teka, bakit may naka-high
Oo.
pony na? Doon ako nagka-moment of realization. Oh my
Si
God!
Rora. Oh my God, let's go. Like,
Grabe,
yung nipis
alam mo,
ng
epekto to ng Baymon House.
Oh, guys, napanood nyo na pala yung Damon House.
Yes,
Hindi na namin
yes,
ni-record
yes.
kasi actually ako din, mas na-appreciate ko manood ng mga ganun.
Yung kapag ka, yung parang chill-chill ka lang, tapos
Oo.
papanoorin mo sa...
And feel ko din kasi, matagal na siyang in-upload. So, feel ko mas ma-appreciate mo pagka hindi naka-video. So, kaya binidyo namin. Pero if ever naman na mag-release sila ng season 2,
Oh, we'll
syempre
happy.
i-video namin.
Yes.
So, eto na, full cam, let's go.
Oh, grabe. Amda.
Hey!
Lahat sila
Down!
I'm the sugar honey iced tea and you know it. I'm the sugar honey iced tea and you know it.
Ice.
And you know that I'm the coldest. I'm the
Oh my
sugar
God!
honey. I'm the sugar honey. Sweet just like some ice cream. No chocolate
Chocolate
ice cream. Like
Ang sobrang cute!
I know. I'm so enticing.
I'm like a blind babe.
Temperature
Hey! Grabe ka na rin.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Tell me what you know about this. I'm sweet just like some ice cream. No
God.
I know.
so enticing. I make them like green. Temperature rise.
Alam mo, naalala ko kay Rora dito, yung sa aura niya dun sa We Go Up na music video. Kasi parang di ba ganito siya?
Yeah.
Ay, ito ba? Parang hindi pala, naka-long hair pala siya dun, tapos may sniper. Pero yung vibe, kasi
Temperature rising. Let's go.
Oh, andyan ang Mr. Sarah.
I'm going in.
ang ganda ayan na.
Grabe yung boy na fan, na nagcha-chan.
Oh,
Grabe, rinig na
grabe
rinig
nga,
mo.
ay, ang lakas. Ang ganda dalawa dito. Parang first time to, no?
Yes!
Siguro dahil last stage. Cute!
I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. Ain't no other better like me.
Yes, girl!
I'm the sugar honey. I'm the sugar honey. You coming back? I give you a heart attack. Tell me what you think about that. You think about
Yes! Wow!
iced tea. You know it's sugar honey. I'm the sugar honey. Iced tea. You know it's sugar
Yung space!
honey.
Ha? Ha?
May space!
We?
Iced tea.
Oh!
It's sugar honey. I'm the sugar
Kaya nagkamali lang si Ruka doon na wala siya sa gitna. Pero,
I'm the sugar
Wow!
Wow!
Oh my God, grabe yung aura ni Asa.
What? Grabe yung aura nila dito sa last stage.
Yes.
I mean, lagi naman sa every performance nila.
But this,
It's different kasi ay nga last stage na
etong Sugar Honey Iced Tea, talagang nakita natin yung more fierce baby monsters.
Pero grabe yung grabe yung aura nila dito sa sa performance na to. Like yung fits.
Yes, yun din napansin
Oh my
ko sa
God.
kanila, ang gara kapag ka may kanta sila, like, laging may na i-incorporate nila yun sa damit
Oo.
nila. Like, ang ganda
Sobrang
nun.
grabe.
Pagka
Sino ba
nakikita
stylist
mo.
nila? Slay.
Yes, yes.
And grabe yung visuals.
Yeah!
Lahat sila, I mean, individually, lahat talaga sila nagsashine sa mga performances nila. Alam nila kung paano dalhin yung part nila.
Oo,
Kung paano
yeah.
sila, kung paano sila magsashine.
Yes.
Kung paano nila hahatakin yung mga nanonood. Grabe, oh my gosh.
Grabe si Rora talaga. Like, after kong, kasi parang mas nakilala ko yung baby monster talaga dun sa Baymon House. Kasi bitin ako kasi like, parang 8 episodes na yun. Dun ko na mas na-appreciate si Rora kasi alam mo, napaka-artsy niya. Alam mo yun, like, napaka-caring din, gano'n, like, parang ganun yung kung babae ako, parang ganun ako. Parang ko yung vibes
Nakarelate
niya.
ka kay Rora,
Oo,
kaya
yes,
nahatak ka
nakarelate
niya.
ako, kaya, ako,
Rami, bumalikan
Wow,
na po nila. Kunin mo na to.
grabe talaga. Like, pagka kumakanta lang talaga si Rami, nagbababay muna ako kay Rora. Pero pagka, talaga, like, Rora. My
Yes.
God! Like, yung coincidence. Kasi, nakain kami nun, tapos sabi ko, parang hindi ko pa nakikita si Rora na naka-high pony. Ganun, sabi niya, nagtalo pa kami kasi hindi, naka-ponytail yun dun sa, dun sa chum. Tapos sabi ko, hindi yung mataas, yung dito, ganun.
Oh,
Tapos,
ayan.
Oh my God!
Ayan, hinata ka talaga.
Oh my God. So that's it for today's video, guys.
Thanks so much for watching.
Please like and
subscribe.
subscribe. Annyeong!